Hi, good day.
Good day, Mom.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Bernadette Lopez Reheo. I'm 45 years old. I live in Taguig City. I have 3 kids and I'm married. I am the second one of the 3 siblings.
Okay, do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, what are your main duties in your previous employer?
Taking care of the kids, cleaning of the room, the kids, and all around.
Okay, and how long did you stay in that employer?
2 years up, Mom.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because a higher salary and I need to finish my kids' studying.
Okay, do you know how to cook some simple Chinese foods?
Yes, Mom.
What kind of food can you cook?
I can cook like steamed fish, steamed vegetables, and sweet and sour chicken.
Okay, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, Mom.
How about an elder person?
Yes, Mom.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I'll check the temperature first and I tell to my employer immediately.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I'll teach them to how to read and write and become a good manners.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, Mom.
Can you give me an example?
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head.
Okay, that's great. What kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, Mom.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, Mom.
What can you say about yourself? How about your attitude?
I'm honest, obedience, patience, and hardworking.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Yes, Ma'am. Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I hope you choose me as a sure helper in your family, and I am hardworking and I'm taking care of your kids, and I love your family. I hope you choose me as your worker. Thank you, Ma'am, and have a great day.